All right, YouTube. You're seeing this a day later from the day I took this trade. This trade was taken January 14th, as you can see at the very bottom there. I'm going short at this first presented fair value gap where it says first 1 PFVG. My stop loss is at the 7 a.m. first presented fair value gap, and I'm taking profit at the daily volume imbalance where that blue shaded area is at the bottom of the screen. Right at the open, we had this move up and we took out those equal highs that you see next to that vertical dotted line. And now I'm focused on price going lower. The daily time frame is also super bearish, which you can see me kind of going back here, and you can see me showing the daily time frame, trying to adjust the box. You can see that we're starting to work down to the downside from price previously higher. So with that being said, now I'm looking to see how price reacts off of lower quadrants. I'm looking a little bit to the left to see price from earlier during the day. But now I'm going to zoom back in, and I want to see how price is looking at lower quadrant of that first presented fair value gap. This is my last time looking to the left. I'm looking to see what price is doing prior because I'm on regular trading hours. So now price has had a super strong reaction off of that first presented fair value gap lower quadrant. Notice the bodies never or always stayed inside of that first presented fair value gap. And that's a beautiful reaction, especially when I'm looking to go short or looking to go long. I want to see those bodies stay inside of that. Now, all I'm letting price do is rip down into this daily volume imbalance. Also, I believe it was a new day opening gap or new week opening gap, something like that. I like this fair value gap, and you're going to see mark it out in about the next 3 seconds, 4 seconds, maybe longer. But I like this fair value gap because it takes out this swing low right here with a lot of displacement. This fair value gap is going to be significant to me. But I would prefer for us just to rip down to this sell side, and I don't need this fair value gap to get used at all. Very simple trade idea though. We failed to trade higher. So we had an opening range gap, and we failed to trade to consequent encroachment. So that's pretty bearish for me. I'm moving my stop loss down to right above that first presented fair value gap, because at this point, price should not break that bearish fair value gap that I was talking about. So once this candle open and that fair value gap finished, I want to see, all right, are we going to stay inside of that? I took 3 partials out after we had displacement through this low. I'm now going to break even as we're working closer to that volume imbalance. And now we're just sitting here waiting. Pretty simple, easy trade. And we're getting there. It edged me a little bit. I'm not gonna lie, it edged me a little bit, but we're not gonna sit here and overcomplicate anything. Stay true to the bias, stay patient, let the market do what it wants to do, and that's it. I could have chosen a bigger point move, and there was a stronger draw on liquidity on the regular trading hours. Not stronger, but it's further down, and you would have made a lot more money. But I wanted low-hanging fruit, and that volume imbalance was low-hanging fruit to me. Didn't risk more than 1% of the account, anything of that nature. Also, this is a paper trade. I am not paper trading until February. I've been back testing and studying ICT's first presented fair value gap concept and thugging it out with that. So pretty good consistency so far. I've grown this account to like $3,000, $4,000 so far in January. So we'll see what we continue to do. Not even risking more than 1% of the account, by the way. And boom, the trade is done. Paper trading on TradingView has been a little funny. And that's the P&L. That's the work. See you guys in the next one.